Now here it is, May 23rd. Got quite a bit accomplished this week. And things are looking very positive right now for this project. This is the corner all the way down to the beginning where they're going to start at the end of Lagoon. As you can see, many piles have been removed going up the shoreline. What they haven't removed, they say they have to remove by water. So they got a professional looking barge out here this time. Drove in some wood pilings behind the wall. Apparently that's what they're driving in for dead men. And they actually have a string line going along. Don't know if that can be seen in the video, but where those wood piles are, there's a cable to have a straight line. And what's really great is you can see that cable goes along the water, maybe 4 or 5 feet out from where that existing wall is. So yeah, they're not perfectly level, yeah, they're not perfectly installed, but much better than last time. And I'm sure it'll look great once they get a cap on it. I can't do my reports from water anymore because the canal is closed off with the yellow boom and a little too high to go over with a kayak. Yeah, the equipment looks much better this time. We've been watching the workers, they look much better this time. Look like they're organized, look like they know what they're doing. They actually had 7 people on the job Thursday.